Well, we all know the importance of a good night's sleep, but if your partner is sawing logs next to you, that good night's rest could be hard to get. Sleep technician Veronica Morillos is here from the Center of Sleep for Sleep Apnea and Snoring to kind of help us get through this issue, because it can be pretty serious if you don't know you're facing it, right?
Right. So then a lot of people are waking up tired. They're waking up with their partner saying, oh my gosh, you're not breathing at night. What's going on? So a lot of the times, if you're snoring, if you're waking up tired, if you have a headache, then that could be a symptom of sleep apnea.
So if you don't have a partner pointing it out, if you're noticing those symptoms,
Exactly.
you could be suffering from sleep apnea.
Yes, nowadays everybody has that Fitbit.
Right.
Everybody knows what's going on. They bring me the phone. They're like, listen to this.
Right.
My pattern of sleeping is just terrible. I'm having a horrible night. I know there's something else going on. So that's when we come in and we can find out what's going on besides the snoring.
And there is a solution that you offer.
Yes, there is. We have an oral appliance here. A lot of the times, patients who get diagnosed with sleep apnea, they get issued a CPAP machine. And if you don't know what that is, it's a machine that goes on your face with hoses. It's got to be plugged into the wall. And what it does is it forces air down your nose and your throat to keep that airway open. So what this little guy does right here, it brings that lower jaw forward and it keeps that airway open naturally. You just put it on like a guard at night. You can wake up in the middle of the night, go to the bathroom, come back, and go right back to sleep.
And it's so much smaller and not as bulky as that CPAP machine.
Exactly, so much easier to wear and get used to it.
Because I'm guessing a lot of folks who have that CPAP machine, what do they say? They end up not wearing it. I mean, they kind of give up.
It's so cumbersome. I mean, most of the people that come into the office, they give up wearing it just because when you have sleep apnea, it's kind of a therapy that you have to go through. And wearing that for the rest of your life can be kind of like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I want to do this. So now that we have this alternative, a lot of people are accepting it and they're getting treated because sleep apnea can contribute to diabetes, high blood pressure, possible stroke.
So overall, just helping improve your life,
Exactly.
kind of all the way around. Because that good night's sleep, that's kind of where it starts.
Yeah, you want to wake up feeling great in the morning. Otherwise, you don't feel
The
like
whole
doing
rest
anything.
of the day, exactly.
Yes.
And is treatment covered by insurance?
It is. Most major insurances do cover it, as well as Medicare.
And there is a special for our viewers today.
Yes, the first 25 callers get a free consultation. All you need to do is call our office, and we can schedule that appointment for you, and you get a free consultation.
There it is. First 25 callers worth $200 for that free sleep consultation. Just call 210-598-8200. That's 210-598-8200, or head to stopsnoringtx.com.